everyone. I am Fumio from Matsuura Machinery.
I am Mami from Nabeya.
At this time, we'd like to introduce our latest automated machine model, the MX330 PC10. Also, we will show you how you can improve your productivity utilizing Nabeya's fixturing plate on the machine. Firstly, let us look at the MX330 PC10. The MX330 PC10 is an entry-level model for automated 5-axis machining. It was designed with ease of use in mind. Even if you are new to 5-axis and lights-out operation, you can start making high-quality parts very easily. The PC10 stands for 10 pallets. This machine configuration is great for unattended machining. This model was upgraded in 2022 to include optional features such as machine monitoring, current management, and sludge collection system, all to help assist with achieving a higher level of lights-out operation. These functions are available on other new models as well. Please contact your local Matsuura dealer for more details.
Matsuura's MX330 PC10 is a great machine. Its ease of use and the productivity is remarkable. It is known that the labor shortage is getting worse, and this machine will definitely help with your manufacturing requirements.
Thank you. Many Matsuura users are moving towards and adapting effective lights-out operation practices to make the most out of their pallet and fixtures by setting up multiple parts at a time.
The power of a 5-axis and the use of a nested fixture gets people's attention.
However, most manufacturers keep the fixtures on pallets even when they do not use them because of the time it takes to break down the setups. This is not the most effective way to use pallets. It would be great if Nabeya had a good solution for this.
In fact, we do. This Nabeya's fixturing plate can support nested fixtures for multiple setups. Also, very effective when it is high mix, low volume.
Is this plate exchangeable and are we able to keep the cube on the pallet?
Yes, that is correct. You simply put on and take off this fixturing plate to allow quick changeovers for the various types of setup you require. You no longer need to break down the entire cubes for another setup. Simply change out the plates. This is the purpose of the Nabeya system, therefore reducing the number of the cubes and tombstones you require for the different parts you manufacture. The change over time is greatly reduced. I will demonstrate this for you. You simply position the plate using the locating pins and lock the plate into place using a wrench. Let me show you how it works. Using the wrench, you loosen the pin by turning it counterclockwise and same with the bolts. Exchange the plate with new setup that you had already prepared in advance. You tighten the screw bolt halfway so that the plate could be adjusted slightly. Then, with the torque wrench, you tighten the pin and the bolt securely, and you are done. It's that simple.
That was so easy. It is truly quick to change out plates.
Yes, it is that easy. Although the process does not take much time and effort, the repeatability is within 5 micrometers.
5 micrometer repeatability is amazing considering how easy it is. Moreover, you use each surface for different setups like this. This expands the machine's flexibility.
Yes, Matsuura's palletized machines and Nabeya's exchangeable fixturing plate system. With this, you can deal with various types of parts and set up with higher productivity. This is our proposal. Recently, this setup is becoming more popular. There are a number of 5-axis devices on the tombstones. This tombstone is specifically designed to minimize interference with 5-axis movements so that you can do multiple setups and vices allowing the flexibility to deal with many types of parts.
I see. This product is great for high-mix operation and for those who want to have more capability and flexibility in their operation. If you're interested, let's work on lights out for better productivity using Matsuura's pallet system and Nabeya's fixturing systems. Thank you for watching.